Morning students, myself SK Baba. Welcome to my YouTube channel Micro Teaching Study Circle. Today my topic is about architecture in the medieval period. Agra Fort is a historical fort in the city of Agra in India. It was the main residence of the Emperor of the Mughal dynasty till 1638. When the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi, the Agra Fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Lingaraja Temple is the largest temple in Bhubaneswar. The central tower of the temple is 180 feet tall. The Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century Hindu temple dedicated to the sun god. It is the best known tourist destination in Odisha and has been a World Heritage Site since 1984. Kendriya Mahadeva Temple, the greatest god of the cave, is the largest Hindu temple in Madhya Pradesh. The Jain temple is the place of worship for Jainis and the follower of Jainism. The Jagannath Puri temple devoted to Lord Jagannath, it is one of the 4 pilgrimage sites of Char Dham pilgrimage by the Hindu population. The Khajuraho group of the mountain monuments are a group of Hindu and Jain temples in Madhya Pradesh, India, about 175 kilometers southeast of Jhansi. Gopuram of temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Shiva located in Tamil Nadu. It is about 70 kilometers to the southeast in the Thanesar. It is built by King Rajadeva for the worship of Lord Shiva. It is about 94 meters from the ground. The construction of Qutub Minar was started by Qutbuddin Aibak around AD 1199. He constructed the first floor. The next stories were constructed by Iltutmish. Alauddin Khilji built the entrance door of the Qutub complex called Ali Darwaza. Babur introduced the concept of garden palaces in India. He built beautiful palaces at Agra, Sikri, Dholpur and laid out gardens around them. These gardens are popularly known as Char Bagh. Purana Killa in Delhi was built during Sher Shah reign. The Mughal architectural style actually began with Akbar. The tomb of Humayun in Delhi is a major landmark of Mughal architecture which reached its climax in Taj Mahal at Agra. He also built an impressive gateway known as Buland Darwaza. Other important monuments are Jama Masjid, tomb of Sheikh Salim Chishti and the famous residential Panch Mahal. One of the most famous gardens laid out by Jahangir and it is Shalimar Bagh in Kashmir. Shah Jahan Taj Mahal at Agra, Red Fort, Jama Masjid at Delhi, Jahangir's tomb at Lahore. Shah Jahan had also placed the peacock throne in Diwan-e-Am of the Red Fort at Delhi. The famous Kohinoor diamond was placed in the throne. Tomb of Shamsuddin Iltutmish. The tomb of Iltutmish was built in 1235 AD. It is situated just outside the northwest corner of Quwait-ul-Islam near the Qutub Minar. One most famous Kali statue was built from the Palas. Somnath Temple, it is an important pilgrimage and tourist spot in Gujarat. One of the best examples of medieval period was the Church of Notre Dame in Paris. The bell tower of the cathedral can be reached by 422 steps from the top of this building, one can witness a stunning view of the Paris. It's all about architecture in medieval period. Very soon I will bring my next video. Thanks.